Is it on? Yeah. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since I posted, but today is finally the day when we're going to be building the Goldfish vending machine. I know a lot of you have been waiting a long time for this. I have been waiting a long time for this, and it's finally time to get it done. I spent a few bucks on Amazon, picked up some cardboard. Didn't even know you could buy cardboard on Amazon, but I guess you can because I bought some. Some plastic and some more LCDs. And you know what? We're just going to throw something together and see what we get. And it's going to be held together with duct tape and glue. So, very heavy-duty vending machine, but you know, it works. As long as it spits out goldfish, I'm going to be happy. You guys are going to be happy, right? I don't know how much I'm going to charge. How much do you charge for goldfish? We'll think about these problems later. Right now, let's think about a design. So here's the idea. We have our little vending machine box right here, okay? And then, you know, our little, like, glass panel, like vending machines have. You can see in there. And so in the bottom half of this glass panel, I think we should have some individual fishies, you know, like just a bunch of little goldfishes. You know, like, here. Let's just get some actual real ones in there. So we just put a bunch of little goldfish in the bottom. And then the top half, we can have like packages of goldfish. And they can have the little hook thingy, you know, the spiral that pushes them out. And then over here, we can have our LCD and like our little keypad of like numbers. And you know, your selectors on a vending machine. And then you have your whatever we're going to use. I think we're going to use a coin acceptor. And so it's like a little slot there. And basically, this is our vending machine. And brilliant idea. I think it's amazing. So, perfect. Look good? Let's go. All right, so I went ahead and made some actual measurements instead of just a bad Sharpie drawing. And I pre-cut our polycarbonate sheet, which is going to be the window. And look at the noise it makes. I don't know. I think that's fun. I'm going to do this all day. So, that was a good video, guys. I don't know. It makes a cool noise. Anyways, but now we have to cut the cardboard. And the cardboard is the main structure of this whole thing. And that's why we ordered a crap ton of it from Amazon. And it's still in this big sheet covered in plastic. And I gotta take it off, so let's get work on that. I don't know why, guys, but I'm just still so fascinated that you can buy cardboard on Amazon. Like, is that not cool? That's cool to me, I guess. Anyways, we're gonna use our freaking big A tape measure to measure off some pieces. And after we have all our pieces cut, it's just time to glue it together and get going. So, I'm gonna get measuring. So the vending machine is gonna be 34 inches tall, 20 inches wide, and 15 inches deep. Now, those are going to be down in the description too, but just so you have some reference of what I'm cutting here. So I have all the basic pieces done. Now what we're going to do is work on building up the main structure. And all those leftover cardboard we're going to use for the support inside. And after we get like 4 walls up, I think we're going to work on the wiring and actually getting the electronics in there, making it work. And then we'll close her all up and spray paint her whatever color orange of goldfish. Quick disclaimer here. We are definitely not spray painting this thing. Like, I don't know where he pulled that out of, but I am not painting this orange. It's staying brown, because brown is a beautiful color. It's perfect for the vending machine, and we don't have enough money for spray paint, so that's how it's going to go. Alright, so y'all best believe that this dude forgot to record this part of the video. And so there's not really any explanation of what's going on. Basically, he's building a base for the goldfish to sit on and the electronics. And he's not going to explain that ever. So later on in the video, there will be a walkthrough. But right now, just know that's what he's doing because he's really smart and doesn't know how to make a video. So it's been a few days, one haircut, a bottle of water, and a crap ton of cardboard. And we're finally at this point where you can kind of see the frame of our vending machine and what it's really going to look like in the end. What we've done here is we have a top shelf now where our bags of Goldfish are going to sit. We're going to go 3 by 3, so 3 and then 3 long. And you're going to have your coils in there like a normal vending machine. And we also have our free floating Goldfish or whatever, just the actual Goldfish that are going to go in this compartment here. And so basically this panel goes on the front here. I don't know if you guys can really see, but right here we have the front panel. There's going to be another one on top of this, so this isn't the very front. But right here is where our window is going to go, our polycarbonate. And in here is our Goldfish, obviously. Now right here at the bottom, let me take this off, is a hole in a small, oh, there goes Goldfish. Anyways, there's a hole right here in the bottom. And so underneath that hole, we have this little piece of cardboard attached to our servo. And we're going to put this in here. And basically what the servo does is it just controls on whether this moves and opens to open the hole, so like that, or it rotates and then there's nothing in the hole so the Goldfish can't slide out anymore. So it'll just let out bursts of Goldfish at a time that'll slide down and into this cup where you can grab them out. Now, on the top up here, let me grab my Goldfish again that fell down here. On the top right here, we've developed a chute in the back. So it's kind of like a funnel, and it all comes down into this chute, and it just slides right out. So basically, when we have the coils in, the coils will pull the Goldfish back, obviously, and it'll slide down and out just like that. And so it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is basically just make a V and then a chute that comes out with walls on either side. And zoom, that's how it works. We're gonna set all the electronics right in here. And of course we still have to build the panel into this. We gotta put our screen and our buttons. And we still need a power jack too, because we don't have power to this system. I think that's gonna go on the far right back here. But other than that, it's kind of coming together. So now what we have to do is obviously install the window, which I have right here. I'm just going to peel this off and put it in here and stick her on. Basically just a bunch more gluing. You know, hot glue has been my best friend. So if you guys consider doing a project like this, make sure to buy like 7 bags of hot glue because you're going to use it. Before we get into it, I think that we should do one of those peels. Is that what you guys call them? Like, you know when they're doing the phone screens and stuff, you always have the peel. All right, let's do one of those. I think it'd be cool. It wasn't as cool as I thought it would be. Anyways, back to work. And we're back. And as you can tell by the video, we were working on the electronics a lot, and we got a lot done. But I am a genius, like brilliant, and I decided that I would short out the whole entire system that I've been spending weeks building. And so my little Arduino Nano in here died on me because I'm just super smart and love to push current through things. So if you're going to do this, be smart and do not be me, because when you put power into things, sometimes they go boom boom. And I don't have a video of it going boom boom, sadly, but it just was a little puff of smoke and it broke a diode, and that's the reason I had to order some more. Hold up. We gotta pause them right there, because we gotta make this thing into a 3-part series, guys. I mean, who wants to watch a 30-minute YouTube video? You know, don't go in the comments and be like me, because no one does. Let's be honest, no one wants to watch a 30-minute YouTube video. So it's going to be 3 episodes. The next episode is coming out within the next few days. So stay tuned, like, and be ready for the next video. In the meantime, I'm going to show you some clips of what it's going to look like at the end. The final product is pretty sweet, so make sure you stick around. And I'll catch you guys next time. Peace. 1, go.